हेलो 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 एवरीवन। क्या हम लाइव हैं? यस, वी आर लाइव। बट इट्स नॉट showing nothing. Showing that the stream is showing, but it's not. क्या है? क्या है? स्ट्रीम कर रहा है? इसमें शो नहीं कर रहा। मे बी समवेयर। आई विल जस्ट ओपन अप यूट्यूब। आई विल जस्ट ओपन अप यूट्यूब। नो प्रॉब्लम गाइस। आई एम आई एम ओपन। आवाज आ रही है? आवाज आ रही है। हाँ तो क्या? Oh, no cool, cool. Problem, guys. I am. I am. Open. Guys. Okay. Sound is okay. Now we'll just start over. तो लास्ट टाइम अपन थे रिकर्सिव इंसर्शन सॉर्ट, फुल शॉर्ट कंप्लीट किया था। नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज रिकर्सिव इंसर्शन सॉर्ट। ठीक है। एग्जांपल में से अपने को अप्रोच करना है तो इसके अंदर क्या करना है कि टेक एन एलिमेंट फ्रॉम द अनसॉर्टेड एरे यूजिंग एन आउटर लूप। ठीक है। प्लेस इट इन इट्स करेक्ट पोजीशन। इंसर्शन सॉर्ट ओके। अरे सिंपल है, ये तो मैं भूल गया था इंसर्शन सॉर्ट। तो अपना इंसर्शन सॉर्ट क्या था? नॉर्मली इंसर्शन सॉर्ट का सिंपल सा एक मतलब होता है कि ये पूरे एरे को छांटता है, उसमें से मिल जाता है। तब यही तो कह रहे हैं जो मेरे को अभी तक समझ नहीं आया था। ओ दैट थिंग। अभी देख लेते हैं इसमें क्या हो रहा है। हालांकि मैं इसे सही बताऊँ तो मैं डायरेक्टली इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकता हूँ। डायरेक्टली इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकता हूँ। ऑब्वियस सी बात है, बहुत इजी हो जाएगा। तो सिर्फ एक चीज जानना है, सिंपल सी चीज है कि is greater than equal to 0 and arrj is greater than equal to key. Okay, the j plus 1 is equal to arrj. Um, yeah, I'm out of my mind. I don't know how to do it. आगे बढ़ते हैं। इसका नाम होगा इंसर्शन रैक। सर्च रैक डॉट जावा एंड it publish static void main and string arg। ठीक है, एक ARR दे देंगे। We want an example, we'll take it। Now insert and function return type। Oh, we need a return type? Nope, we don't need। Actually we will be sorting the array, I believe। Array, sorry, we will be sorting the array, so we need a short of obviously, so we are going to return our array, that will be hectic। I wanna see what have I written here. Okay, I just completed my. So I go for void and insertion and then trr फिर अपन क्या करेंगे सेकेंड एन ये दो भागों के साथ अगर हमारा एन का वैल्यू एक आई रखते आई रखते ठीक है I just want to check. I don't want to run this whole loop ulta. So it's really fine. If I clearly n की equal आ गई है तो शांति से return कर. That is the end of our insertion. Now let's just finally create an key which will be ARRI. Sorry, we will finally create a J which will be I-1 then while j is j greater than equal to j if it's true and so 0 से बड़ा या बराबर है obviously and yep, it's fine and जो ARR of j है वो greater than equal to है यानी कि ARR से है वो p से बड़ा है तो अपने को y में जाना है और ARR j की प्लस सॉरी j प्लस 1 की जगह पे ARR of j डाल देना है और j को सॉरी ये डाल देना है और अरे और j को माइनस में ले जाना है we are out of loop and I believe we can do a perfect job and then we will just ARR of j plus 1 j plus 1 so is equal to because we change this I will never understand this impression shot I know it I need a perfect teacher for it insertion here are this and this but earlier plus status done oh done I'm 100% sure it's right including the ceiling sticks ठीक है आगे बढ़ते हैं इसमें और क्या हो सकता है आई एम नॉट एबल टू सी एवरीथिंग ठीक है calling the function person giving n is equal to arr dot length is equal to this and do I have to give no nope no r is equal to n से return करना है will it be fine r is equal to n से return करना है will it be fine I am not liking this slide I will post it's giving me too much harassment to my eyes r is equal to this okay and for now maybe we are done I'll give it this so nope not like this not like this home and so अरे यार for each loop. I float it and actually, do you know what this ln stands in println? It's simply line change. And the hell, what is this? What kind of error is this? And how big is it infinite? It should not be infinite. So why is it infinite? Uh, why is it not running properly, bro? Bro, what there, bro? I'm not able to understand this, bro. ये तो जावा से नहीं होता. Great. I think it supports putting here, but not here. So what's the case? What's the error? First, I'll check this theme. It's fine, I believe. Okay, now what will we do? No network. I have a concurrent use. Huh, that's actually. I am my concurrent viewer. Great, great, great. Uh, what the hell is problem, bro? Controller, solve the error, please. AI is the best thing, you know? Okay, I knew it will be a problem for me. Actually, I didn't. I thought this code was perfectly right. Okay, now this coffee is making me sick. Now we have to go for quick shot, I believe. Yep, quick shot, quick shot, quick shot, quick shot, quick shot, quick shot. It's like almost same as this much shot, just a minor change. We have to go for the definition. quick shot.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are
This
doing
quick video for just
so that
quick
you get
shot.
an essence of the online compiler. Post that I'll be discussing the time similar to a particular.
Nah, sorry bro. To the video. I'm not going for this video. I'll just search on internet, make it a bigger and bigger solution. Quick shot. So quick shot is a shorting algorithm, obviously. Divide and conquer, obviously. I know it. That fixed element is a pivot. Okay, that's something new. And partitions the given array around the fixed pivot by placing the pivot in its correct position. Partitions the given array around the fixed pivot by placing the pivot in its correct position. Like instruction sort in the shorted array. I never understood instruction sort. How will I understand quick short? Maybe I can. There are mainly three steps in the algorithm. Choose a pivot. Select an element from the array as the pivot. I need to cap and filling code. I need to clean this. Let's choose a pivot. Select an element from the array. Select an element from the array as the pivot. Okay, the choice of pivot can vary. Okay, first element, last element, second element. Okay, partition the array, rearrange the array around the pivot. Around the pivot. So basically apply the same process to the partitions of array. Base call recursion stops when there is only one element left in the subarray as a single element is already shorted. Recursion stops when there is only one element left in the subarray as a single element is already shorted. Almost same as merge sort, but this pivot is something new. Okay. Now let's discuss what is this pivot. Wait. So here we go. Here we have this project. There are many different choices. Choose here partition algorithm. The key process quick short is a process to be governed. But I need the code. Give me the code first. Then I may understand something. I'm not understanding it like this. Not like this. I need the code. Where's the code? Where's the code? Here the code. Give me the code. So here we have quick short, low high, and low high, quick short, int Arra, int low. Is my sound coming perfect? So here we have quick short, low high, and low high, quick short, int Arra, int low. Okay, now if low is less than high, pivot index. Pivot changing the pivot index according to low and high. And why the hell this function isn't private? They are literally trying to make. I need to understand. I'll leave it. I'll leave it. Why the hell is this medium and this quick shot easy? Mud shot medium. I just don't believe. Are they really trying to make fun of me? The thing I feel easy is certainly hard, and the thing I feel hard is certainly easy. Yes, same approach I have used. Same approach, literally the same code. Anyone would say that I have cheated, but literally I have not. I have done it myself. Well, I'm going to do it. Largest element in an array. I have actually done it, but I want to do it here. So I will do it again. No one can check me. Could we? Could anyone check me? Maybe 25130, which is the largest element. It is 5. So I will do it. I will just all shorting ones, I believe. I could keep them in a separate folder, I believe. It will be fine. It will look easy. So I will give them a separate folder. Here's the array. Here's the node. I am just giving them a controller. So X is separate folder named as shorting and single. See, I have just saved them, but maybe they will not work now because no, they will. And I need a new folder. Array new file. August. Sorry, not this. Sorry. Largest dot Java. So we close it. Done. I have to give a package name everywhere. In them also, otherwise they will not run. I know it. There's a high chance they will not. Yeah, there's an error. There's an error, but it ran. Still it's running, I don't care. Now I have to give the public setting. Close it. Public static and void and main. This string. Uh, okay. I need a demo array. I like I open the bubble short and hit me. Now I need to find the largest one. There are two ways. Yes, yes. Okay. So uh, we have two ways. One is for time complexity n square and other is for time complexity n. And for real, I know binary search, but I don't want to do it. So I may use, but binary search needs sorting. The simplest method is I could sort it through merge sort and give the largest element. That would be for n. Actually, I could maybe. and largest is equal to arr dot dot. Is there any element for the largest? Yeah. Uh, is there any uh, like in C or C++ or something max or something? Uh, maybe I would get it. arr option. I will run a loop from int I is equal to 0 till I is less than arr dot length and I is plus. So the thing is, I will just check if its largest is smaller than arr of I, then मैं कर सकता हूँ कि लार्जेस्ट के अंदर arr of I डाल, मतलब कि यार लार्जेस्ट अगर छोटा है arr of I एरे की किसी भी वैल्यू से तो लार्जेस्ट के अंदर वो वैल्यू डालना. Obviously it will run till n and get the largest, and I can just print to show the largest is this, and just print it to largest. And give it a save and in the code, and voila, we got 52 as our largest and n as our time complexity. Yeah, this code will run till the length of this array. So this is the major problem. Second best way, no, this was the best way. Yes, yes. Optimal approach, there is a optimal approach. Okay, okay. So what is the complexity of optimal approach? What it has done, create a variable where called max, slice its value of first element used to iterate through the rest of the element array which will be oh my god. It's using the same method as I used. So let's see. Now we are going for second element, and I know the method for second element, so I will not do anything. Check large dot java. Enter control V CSVM or the spelling of writing it. Then TRR and this and control V. Okay, now we have to just find the largest one, second largest one, I believe. Oh, what to believe? Yes, we have to find the second largest one. So first, if one largest is equal to of you know, if the largest is less than arr of I, then largest should be equal to arr of I. else अब ऑब्वियसली बात है, अगर इसको पास कर दिया तभी आएगा. we need a large also. That large is equal to arr of one, देखेंगे else. अब उसको पार कर दिया तो इधर आएगा कि large is less than arr I, then check large A declared is equal to ARR of I. I believe it will work because because देखो जो largest value है जिससे सबसे पहले check किया 13. Is 13 less than 13? Nope. Is 46 less than 13? Nope. Okay. Is 13 less than 46? Truth, truth, truth. Largest is 46. Is 46 less than 46? False. No. Is 46 less than 24? No. Is 46 less than 24? No. Is 46 less than 52? Truth. नीचे आ गया. Truth. That 46 is less than 52. The largest is 40, 52. It will not go to else if because the if या if else ladder statement says that एक बार if में घुसा तो else if में नहीं जाएगा. Simple. So, so if it's in if, it will not go to else if. If it is less than 52, truth, it will give largest to 52, and it will not go to seclarge, so seclarge has 46. Our code is the perfect code of the world because we are the world. Seclarge is 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 this is seclarge, and where I believe for sure the code will run. Yeah, it ran. Could we give some other array? Have we? Have we? Some other array? Sure. Give an example. The example is pretty blurry, I need to say. Let's find out. 7. 7 is not the second largest. Bro. Okay. If it doesn't second time, first time it changed. Second time it never went there. I should put equal also. It will be charm. Fire करना है bro. Yep, it worked. We are the pros, bro. We are the pros. Check if the error is sorted. Okay, this is something. Check if the error is sorted. Check if the error is sorted. Simply we have to create a program to check the array is sorted. So the only problem I'm feeling in this code is I have to write too much. First I need a code for array. I got the array. Now I have to check whether it's sorted and it's almost sorted. I will just from here and do it from here. I will create an I and I will create an N. Now for I is equal to 0, I less than N, I plus 6. Then now simply I will check if we are of if we are of I lesson ARR of I plus 1. I go for greater, it's greater, or I could use it to type. Like I could check if ARR of I'm sorry, let's see ARR of what? So I will use this and this makes it. So what will we do here? We will simply check if it's greater and if predecessor is greater than the successor. If it's true, the array is just bad. We just break, we will just make a break. And as we are changing the array, uh, as we are checking the array, if I is equal to n minus what? I is equal n minus 1. Then we will print true. What the hell? I have finished it. Yeah, right now I have initialized it globally, not locally, I believe. So how the hell are you looking for me? What will I say to him? True. And so here I'm just going for a false. This much is perfect. And I may have done my job. It worked. True. Now I will give it a 6. Let's see. Will it be false? Yes! We are fine. We created a program with time complexity of n, and it's fine. Code, name of the code, and it's going fine. And it's what this code is working one-sided, our code is working two-sided. Remove duplicates. I can do it. Duplicate remover. I will just name it dupe.java. Enter and B. Okay. I will write the family static and the void and the main, the string and the arg and actually normally they are better but I know it so I can just say I knew it, I know. Nobody has to say this thing. Actually I know I am. If anybody has to say that's me. Okay, we have to remove duplicates. Okay, I need to create a duplicate. I will. We have to waste first and foremost in the main way. I want to see the optimal. I know the brute force. So we are first position Also, the part of finding unique list, move through the list or find comparing the current item with the most recently kept unique item. Current item is the same as the previous because it's duplicate. Different place it after the last kept unique item. We already need the list group that different. I had it before. What the hell is this thing? I am not understanding anything. It's a Java code. A new Java code. Give me a Java code. Give me. What the hell? It's working. Why is not working? I believe there's no Java. No problem. I can understand it. Uh, I'm feeling sleepy now. How did I mm, 33 now? What is the timing? Oh man, no. Minus me plus me. 41 minutes. Great timing. Did I 33 now? What is the timing? Oh man, no. Okay, now I need some music. I need some music. I need it because you all cannot see this. So I could play music. So I could play music for sure. I opened in YouTube, and if I play music, would anyone give me any problem? I could pause it for 1 second. Just a second, guys. Just a second. I have activated the song. So no problem. You know which song I'm playing today? I can show that. Arra from Kishore Kumar. That's a great song. You can also. What are you saying? What are you saying? It's a 60-second lag, bro. Hey. बदला नहीं है समझा क्या रूठा हुआ है. First, I will pick up an element and touch it from start to end every time. It's like adding to an end square. I can't stop it. It has to be done. But if there's some kind of code for it to have like smaller ones, I'm not understanding this one actually. What the hell is it saying? ये कह रहा है कि begin करो पहले पोजीशन से, which will always be a part of final unique list. Move through the list one item at a time, comparing the current item with the most recently. Actually, it is the worst. I don't want to, but yeah. Remove the element of signal up to the signal from those. Hash shared to pointer. Okay. When we are going for brute force, nested loop is n square and hash is O n. I can do it with hash, I believe, if I know hash. And I don't know hashing properly, but I know hashing, I believe. This, just hash it. How does it work? Oh, limit. So I'm going to hash it. Give it a pause. How to get the pause? Now, have you seen it? Don't say it. Has that is the Java implemented interface of collections frameworks that's used to store the unique elements and it doesn't maintain any protocol of it does not allow executable to hash it has set internally which is material map which is information has set interior which is new has set. What is this? What is it? H okay 1 2 1. So has set dot size 2 elements in has set 1 2. It doesn't have copy elements. It doesn't allow duplicate elements. Okay, I read it diagram. It implements and what does have it use as the data set dot contain true and false and it's just going on. Okay, push the first at first of variables. कुछ तो समझ में आ रहा है. Yes, it is already set. Let go set. Could we not use hashtag as map? Mhm. Okay. the future. Actually, I like look more than literature, but I know literature now. Okay, we could use this. We could use this. We could use this here. Like I did an import statement first. Import Java. Still the test. Okay. So, and create a hashtag. Hashtag. Anything. That is even more created a hashtag. 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 Okay, there are differences. Hashtag and hashtag. I written hashtag. What the fuck is it? Sorry. My mistake. Sorry. What is this has map? There is two things, has map and has set. Okay, has map is like mapping. Okay. But we need a headset. Us. This. We will provide you with it, bro. This is bro. I will need just like the new headset. Done. Is it not fine? No, it's not fine. I need to give it a adapter. Okay, what's the problem? No one gave it. Hey, put it there. And now we will just for and I see the say I plus many Arra dot length or I को plus system पे जाएंगे और we will just simply put every element as just dot add क्या add करना है Arra dot add we will add every element but initially we will check if access dot contains क्या contain करता है ARR of I if it contains it initially if it contains it Then simply we have to click through this page. Nine. If it contains what we have to do, we have to do nothing. So that's simply that we have to just we have to just we have to remove the duplicate assembly here. So we have to just like 13 uh added 13 in the asset. Great. 46 added 46 to the asset. Great. Now we got okay 13. HS contains 13. Yes, HS contains the 13. What we will do? We will just okay. We just want 52 at the place of 13, and I believe 52 is one second in there. So I will simply give a mention. I it's तो मतलब मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा यहाँ क्या कर सकता हूँ आई की वैल्यू 13 हो गई आई 13 पे है मेरे को 52 आई की जगह पे रखना है तो मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ मेरे पास ऑप्शंस क्या क्या है 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 आई कैन जस्ट सिंपली yeah I can just simply create my own indexing for Arra. I can do that like I could create an from a let's start from 0 and I will just simply write ARR of j let's say is equal to ARR of I. Now so 13 is in it, 6 what 46 in perfect spot theoretically why not but it's fine. Now we got 13 and in 13 we are here. We never put 13 in the loop and we never go to plus plus. So j is 1 and j is 2. अब हम दोबारा यहाँ आए आई बढ़ के 52 पे चला गया सिंपल क्या होगा कि अब 13 की जगह पे 52 आ जाएगा और 13 ठीक है तो हाँ परफेक्ट आई विल जस्ट पुट अ परसेंटेज and this I need a for each. Will it have a problem? No, it's good. I want to see the loop. So, क्या हो गया oh I want it to run perfectly yes and the last element yeah, we have to okay we can do one thing we know it will initially shift this way so We could just change. No, we could just run the main array and this array till the point we want. What's the point we want? We want the cell. I want to count. Actually, we got to count. Okay. 0 to I have finished. And I get this. And like this. And that's it. I am damn sure it will. Alhamdulillah. Yeah, I got that. I need an example. There we go. It's between 1 to 3. And I believe it will because I've been quite good here. They were lovely one to thank you. I just proved to be worthy, worthy. But the thing is, I took too much time. For the things. I never thought that this will happen. Now I'm not willing to do any other things. How much time I spent? It's 1 hour. I need a break for about 30 minutes. So, I could I could what the is minimum